Hello. What better place to be when kids are off school than out in the garden? Isn't that right, guys?
Yeah.
Today we're going to have a quick look and we're going to show you how easy it is to do up a quick window box. We're going to pick a few herbs for one and we're going to pick a few flowering plants for the others. So who wants to grab the window box, please?
Me.
So we're going to start with this one and we're going to fill it up with some general compost. So this is any type of compost you get from your garden centre, and just fill it up. That's grand. As you fill away. And so we're going to fill this one with a few herbs. So we have a few nice kitchen herbs to go into this one. Now that's enough for the moment, so we're going to fill it up to about that level, and then we're going to take a few. So what we're going to use here, we're going to use some of these lovely Nice and Easy branded plants. We've got some lovely rosemary, lavender, some mint, and anything that you would use in your kitchen or anything that you'd like to put in it that we could use for cooking for mommy or daddy, or indeed for yourselves in the house. So we're going to take out. So the proper way to take out the plant is to turn the plant upside down. Isn't that right, James? Turn it upside down. Squeeze the bottom. Squeeze the bottom. Two sides, and then pull off the pot. Okay, and you can see that lovely root system there. And so this is a rosemary. We'll plant the rosemary in here at the back, in the corner, like that. Isn't that right, Oliver? Top it back up. Yeah. Good man. We'll top it up in a moment. We'll pick a lovely. This is a lovely spearmint. So Oliver, squeeze the bottom. Squeeze it. Yeah, and then pull the plant out from the bottom, upside down. Look. So never pull the plant without squeezing the bottom. And we're going to put that one in the other corner. Good stuff. Yeah, and then this is a lovely lavender. So does Tyke want to squeeze this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you squeeze the bottom of that and pull out the plant. Turn it upside down. Yeah, and pull it out. Look, pull out the plant. Very good. You want to pop it here in the middle? Here in the middle. And firm in the soil as you're going. Very good. Then we have some lovely sage, and we're going to pop the sage in at the front, and this one. No, and Evelyn's going to pop this. Now pop it in straight. Very good. And then last but not least, we have a lovely chives. Okay, and the chives can go in front of this, in between these
Very
plants.
rooty, this one.
Very rooty, and stick it in
And
there.
the roots are white.
Now, so at this point, it's just a matter of filling in the gaps with some more compost, and it'll be done. So there you have it. A lovely, just turn it that way, no? Yeah, there you have it. A lovely window box, herb window box with some rosemary, lavender, spearmint, chives, and some lovely sage. All stuff that is used regularly in cooking, and then Oliver's going to hang it back up. So for this window box, we're going to put some flowering plants into it. So we've picked a few of our new range of the wildflowers. So we've got this lovely scabiosa blue butterfly, and we have the lovely primula from that range. Along with this, we've picked another primula denticulata red. We've picked a lovely trailing Lysomachia, and we've picked a nice Saxifraga Peter Pan. All stuff to give us a bit of early flower and early colour in this box. So if you'd like to plant this one, the tall stuff generally goes at the back, and so we'll be putting the two primulas at the back and the scabiosa at the front. While the kids are out on extended holidays, this is brilliant to have them involved out in the garden, planting up a few boxes like this. It's lovely fresh air. You can top up little bits of pots, or indeed the flower bed, be it out picking plants out, flowers out of the garden to bring indoors into vases. It's brilliant, great for the kids, great interaction, and very, very good out in the fresh air. No, very good. Well done. Well done.
Right.
Now, we're
Here
going
you
to
go,
carry
Ty.
it in.
That way.
That way. No. And hang it up. Nice point on for me. So there you have it, some lovely window boxes to brighten up the front of, in this case, the kids' little playhouse. And what better way to do it out in the fresh air with your kids and get them involved. They enjoy it so much.